You've pictured it, a perfect evening around a fire pit in your Bakersfield backyard. But a common material mistake won't just crack. It can cause a dangerous explosion. And it's not just materials. The wrong fuel setup can create an invisible pool of gas at your feet. Building a fire pit in Kern County isn't about style. It's about mastering local codes and safety. We'll guide you through the rules, smart designs, and material science to build it right. First, before you dig, any permanent gas fire feature in California requires a building permit. This is a legal requirement. Next, placement. State Fire Code mandates a minimum 10-foot clearance from your house or any combustible structure. And look up. You need at least 10 feet of overhead clearance from trees or patio covers to prevent fire from spreading upward. The structure's placement is just step one. Now you must create a defensible space against wildfires, a huge risk here. You must create a zero-udracin. 2 to 5-foot ember-resistant zone around your fire pit. This means no wood mulch, dry grass, or flammable furniture. Use rocks, gravel, or decomposed granite for this zone. Pair it with xeriscaping, drought-tolerant plants like succulents and native sages. Let's return to that explosion risk. Why does it happen? Standard concrete or river rocks contain trapped moisture that turns to steam and shatters the material. This is why fire-rated materials are mandated. Use fire brick, specific fire-rated blocks, or lava rock. Always confirm with the supplier. Now, what fuels the fire? In Kern County, wood burning is often restricted. Your practical choice is between natural gas and propane. If you choose propane, understand its physics. It's heavier than air. Without low ventilation, 18 square inches on opposite sides, it can pool and ignite. Natural gas avoids this, but requires a new gas line with higher upfront costs. So, which is the better investment? The answer will be clear. With the critical safety science covered, let's turn to the design choices that make your fire pit a true outdoor living room. In Bakersfield's heat, an alumawood or louvered patio cover makes your fire pit area usable day and night, not just on cool evenings. Instead of scattered chairs, build a seating wall. This creates a cohesive look, maximizes space, and provides permanent, durable seating. A common mistake is failing to account for wind. Test the area on a few evenings to avoid having smoke constantly blown into seating. Remember our question about the best fuel investment? Despite the install cost, natural gas is the clear winner for Bakersfield homeowners. Natural gas can be up to 5 times cheaper per hour to run than propane, offering huge long-term savings and an unlimited fuel supply. You understand the rules and have a design vision. Let's ground this in financial reality. What should you expect to invest? A custom built-in fire pit typically ranges from $1,500 to $7,000, not including a new patio slab or extensive gas line work. Luxury designs with water features, premium stone veneers, or automated ignition can push the cost well above $8,000. Your fuel choice also impacts material costs. A wood fire needs costly masonry, with a fire brick lining to handle the intense heat. Gas fire pits, however, produce less intense heat. This allows for a cost-effective build: a metal frame with concrete board and a veneer. We've covered codes, materials, climate adaptation, and cost. Let's synthesize this into a clear, actionable strategy for you. Choosing natural gas isn't just a cost-saving measure we mentioned. A permanent gas fire pit is a feature that directly adds to your property value. The ember-resistant zone and xeriscaping aren't just about code. It's a design philosophy that creates a beautiful, low-water, defensible space. The explosive danger of wrong materials and the cost-effective build for gas pits are linked. Choosing natural gas allows for a wider range of safe, affordable finishes. The optimal strategy is clear. A permitted natural gas fire pit with fire-rated materials surrounded by a non-combustible zone and xeriscaping. So, to build the perfect Bakersfield fire pit, follow these pillars. 1. Obey the codes. Permits and clearances are non-negotiable. 2. Master the physics. Use the right materials and the right fuel for our climate. And 3. Design for a living space, integrating seating and shade. That backyard dream we started with is entirely achievable. By avoiding the dangers and making informed choices, you're making a wise investment. Now you have the blueprint. Plan your project, consult with professionals, and build a beautiful, safe fire pit patio for your Bakersfield backyard.